Hello students, a very warm welcome to all of you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 4, fractional numbers. In this chapter our topics are compare the fractions by cross multiplication method and compare the fractions by taking the LCM. Let me explain you one by one. First we will take compare the fractions by cross multiplication method. Question number A, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Please pay attention. We cannot compare fraction if the denominators are different. So we use cross multiplication method to find the answer. So first we will compare the fractions by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means that we multiply the numerator of one side by the denominator of other side. So first we will multiply 1 by 4 and 2 by 1. 1 multiplied by 4 gives us a product 4. Let's put 4 below the first fraction 1 upon 2. Now we will multiply 2 by 1 which gives us a product 2. So put 2 below the second fraction 1 upon 4. Since 4 is greater than 2, so 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 4. Let us compare another pair of fractions. Question number B, 4 upon 9 and 5 upon 18. Again, we cannot compare the fractions if the denominators are different. So, we will compare the fractions by cross multiplication method. First, we will multiply 4 by 18 and 9 by 5. 4 multiplied by 18 gives us a product 72. Let's put the 72 below the first fraction 4 upon 9. Now we will multiply 9 by 5 which gives us a product 45. So we will put 45 below the fraction 5 upon 18. Since 72 is greater than 45, so 4 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 18. Our next topic is compare the fractions by taking the LCM. Question number A, 7 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. We cannot compare 7 upon 2 and 5 upon 3 because their denominators are not same. To make the denominators same, we will convert them into like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 2 and 3. As we see, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. We have to bring 6 at the place of denominators because our LCM is 6. Our first fraction is 7 upon 2 and we want 6 at the place of denominator. So if we multiply 2, by which digit we get 6? Yes, 3, because 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 3. The other fraction is 5 upon 3 and we want 6 at the place of denominator. So if we multiply 3, by which digit we get 6? Yes, 2, because 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 2. 7 3s are 21 and 2 3s are 6. So the fraction is 21 upon 6. Next, 5 2s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. So the other fraction is 10 upon 6. Now denominators are same, so we can easily compare the fractions. As 21 is greater than 10, so 21 upon 6 is greater than 10 upon 6. So 7 upon 2 is also greater than 5 upon 3. Let's solve one more question. Question number B. Compare the fractions 2 upon 9 and 3 upon 7 by taking the LCM. We cannot compare 2 upon 9 and 3 upon 7 because their denominators are different. To make the denominators same, we will convert them into like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 9 and 7. As we see, the LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. We have to bring 63 at the place of denominators because our LCM is 63. Our first fraction is 2 upon 9. and we want 63 at the place of denominator. So if we multiply 9, by which digit we get 63? Yes, 7, because 9 sevens are 63. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 7. The other fraction is 3 upon 7, and we want 63 at the place of denominator. So if we multiply 7, by which digit we get 63? Yes, the answer is 9, because 7 nines are 63. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 9. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14, and 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63. So the first fraction is 14 upon 63. Next, 3 nines are 27 and 7 nines are 63. So the other fraction is 27 upon 63. Now denominators are same, so we can easily compare the fractions. As 14 is less than 27, so 14 upon 63 is less than 27 upon 63. So 2 upon 9 is also less than 3 upon 7. Hope you understand. Compare the fractions by taking the LCM. Let's solve the next question. Compare the following pairs of fractional numbers. Question number A. 19 upon 7 and 2 1 upon 6. You can use any one method to find the answer. Compare the fractions by cross multiplication method or by taking the LCM. But LCM method is more beneficial to you, so I will explain this sum by taking the LCM. See, in this question, 2 1 upon 6 is a mixed number. So first we convert 2 1 upon 6 into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12, and 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So the fraction is 13 upon 6. How can we compare fractions 19 upon 7 and 13 upon 6 when the denominators are different? To make the denominators same, we will convert them into like fraction. For this, we need to find the LCM of 7 and 6. As you see, the LCM of 7 and 6 is 42. We have to bring 42 at the place of denominators because our LCM is 42. Our first fraction is 19 upon 7, and we want 42 at the place of denominator. So if we multiply 7, by which digit we get 42? Yes, the answer is 6, because 7 6 are 42. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 6. The other fraction is 13 upon 6, and we want 42 at the place of denominator. So if we multiply 6, by which digit we get 42? Yes, the answer is 7, because 6 sevens are 42. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 7. 19 6 ja 114 and 7 6 ja 42. So the fraction is 114 by 42. And 13 sevens are 91 and 6 sevens are 42. So the other fraction is 91 upon 42. As 114 is greater than 91, so 114 upon 42 is greater than 91 upon 42. So 19 upon 7 is also greater than 2 1 upon 6. Let's solve one more question. Compare the following pairs of fractional numbers. Question number B. 4, 3 upon 4 and 20 upon 5. See, in this question, 4, 3 upon 4 is in mixed number. So first we convert 4, 3 upon 4 into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 4 4s are 16 and 16 plus 3, 19. So the fraction is 19 upon 4. How can we compare fractions 19 upon 4 and 20 upon 5 when the denominators are different? To make the denominators same, we will convert them into like fraction. For this, we need to find the LCM of 4 and 5. As you see, the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. We have to bring 20 at the place of denominators because our LCM is 20. Our first fraction is 19 upon 4 and we want 20 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 20 in the denominator? Yes, the number is 5 because 4 5s are 20. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 5. The other fraction is 20 upon 5 and we want 20 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 20 in the denominator? Yes, the digit is 4 because 5 4s are 20. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 4. 19 5s are 95 and 4 5s are 20. So the fraction is 95 upon 20. And 24s are 80 and 5 4s are 20. So the other fraction is 80 upon 20. Now denominators are same, so we can easily compare the fractions. As 95 is greater than 80, so 95 upon 20 is also greater than 80 upon 20. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 20 upon 5. As usual, it is important to practice what you learn in this video. Practice is the best way for you to understand maths. The more you practice, the more you are going to enjoy maths. So complete lesson 4 worksheet 2 once in Maths CW. Thank you. Have a nice day.